Hi everyone, today we have this platform called ikas ecom, and this is the best and fastest e-commerce store creator software. Before we begin, you can head over to the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses, so make sure to check that out. Now jumping onto the dashboard, you can see since we have this platform and it is really optimized to create those amazing e-commerce stores like you do on Shopify for different type of products. You can see you can add your products, you can edit your themes, configure payment settings, and make your first sale. So on the left side, you can see the product section. Here you can start the making of listing of products. You can add a product. Could be a variant product, like for example a digital product or stuff like that. Let's just choose simple product, and then you will be able to realize we have a lot of information to be added in here. You can add basic information, you can add media, product details, and much more. This is going to be serving as our product details, and once we are ready to go, we can simply save it and our product will be listed. And let's just go back and see what we have else. You can see we have purchase orders, we have transfers, stock count, and definitions, and much more. You can see in the order section will be populated the list of orders that you're getting onto your products that you sell. You can even add your customers. If you want to add discounts or coupons, that is an option as well. You can see in the customers, you can easily add your customers. Let's just say you are on customers, you can add new customers, so you can have a better idea about that particular client or customer. You can see the reports. In the report section will be the information of all the activity that is going on onto your store, so you can have a better idea of a bird's eye view what is going on in your store. You can also integrate various apps, like for example in the app store you have multiple integrations going on, so it is basically loading up. You can also see your apps that are installed. So yeah, it is really simple and convenient and intuitive to use. Make sure to give it a try, and an amazing product in my opinion. Talking about its reviews, let me show you that. You can see unleashing e-commerce potentially, my experience with ikas, and really nice set of reviews. So make sure to give a try to the platform using the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.